Jan Santana is set to go down against Eduardo Baez, and many believe this is going to be a walk in the park for Jan Santana, but Baez's level of experience is extremely, extremely high. This great Mexican fought really, really good opponents. Yes, he's on a 4 streak loss, but 5'9" rich fighter lost to Arnold Kigai, Jonathan Lopez, Angel Lea, Emmanuel Navarrete. These are all high-level names. He defeated Jose Enrique Vivas, but he has never backed down in front of the challenge. And Jan Santana is 5'8", 72 inches of reach, very slick and quick boxer. But I don't think we're going to see a knockout in this fight. It's hard to believe in that, really. Santana knocked out Rodolfo Hernandez, Ernesto Franzolini, but against Brandon Valdez it was a pretty much close fight. Yes, he won the majority of the rounds, but I believe Santana might win via decision, but Baez is having great right hands, great counters. We shouldn't write him off. We really shouldn't write him off. I'm saying over 6.5. I'd say Santana decision, but I'm not going to be shocked if Baez steals the victory. He's a very good boxer and very underrated.